Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be learning how to make this beautiful Ankara palazzo pants just like you can see. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get on with the tutorial. In order to achieve this, guys, you just be needing 2 yards of your fabric, your zip, your thread, your gum stay, your measuring tape, your scissors and also your chalk. The first thing I'll just go ahead to do, guys, is to fold my fabric in two. Now, in order for me to determine how wide I'm going to fold my fabric, I will simply divide my hip by 4 and add 5.5 inches to that. I'll then go ahead to mark half an inch from the top region. This is the starting line where all our measurements will be taken from. I'll simply determine how wide I want my band to be. For me, I want mine to be 1.5 inches. From that place, I'll just go down by my hip measurement, my hip length measurement, which is at 8 inches, my crouch depth measurement, which is at 13 inches, my knee length measurement, which is at 23 inches, and then my full length measurement, which is at 41 inches. So guys, go ahead to insert your own measurement at this point. After doing this, connect all the lines horizontally. So guys, let's start drafting our pants. The first thing I'll go ahead to do is to add 1 inch to my actual hip measurement and divide it by 4. I am just going to mark it at that hip line, at the crouch line, and also at the waistline. After doing this, connect the lines vertically. The measurement that you have at your hip line, go ahead to divide this into 4 with your tape rule. Now I have 2.5. I'll just be making out an extension at the crouch line. I will also come up by 1 inch from this right and from this angle here, and then connect it together in a curve-like manner all the way to the hip line. So guys, from the crouch line, I'll just be going down by 3 inches. Now this is for my thigh measurement. I also go ahead to connect this new horizontal line. So guys, at the crouch line, I'll just go ahead to divide my lap measurement by 2. I'll just mark it at that point there from the crouch line. Now what I have at this place, I'm also going to divide it by 2 to get the middle. So I'm going to take this middle measurement from that point all the way to the hem region. After doing this, connect together. So guys, at the crouch line, I'm just simply going to retake my measurement and confirm what I have there. At the thigh line, I'm going to divide my thigh measurements by 4 and mark it from half of the middle line that we have there. At the knee line also, I'm going to do the same. So like if I'm working with 24 for my thigh measurement, at the knee line I measure 22, and also at the hem I measure 20, because I don't want it to just be like that same measurement all through. So you can go ahead to make it the same measurement, or you can pencil up the mouth area. So guys, after doing it, I'll just go ahead to connect it together just like you can see me connecting with my ruler, and I'm also going to curve it at this region just like you can see, and just basically look at what I'm doing. At the waist region, guys, go ahead to divide your waist into 4. So I'll not be adding a dart to this, but if you're adding a dart, go ahead to add 1 inch to this, to the waist, your actual waist measurement. And so guys, with that, I am basically through it, drafting the front piece. So guys, whilst cutting, I just gave it half an inch. So guys, go ahead to cut it with half an inch all the way round. So guys, we're basically done with cutting the front piece. Let's go ahead to cut the back piece. Now guys, you're just going to go ahead to fold your fabric into 2, and then I'm going to make sure that I have at least a 2 inches allowance. Like the fabric you folded should be 2 inches bigger than that of the front. So guys, at the waist region, I went up by 1.5 inches. This is to allow our butt to sit properly on the pants. From the crouch line, I'll just be extending 2 inches all the way to the full length of the pants, and then connect them together. So guys, from my waist region, I'll just be going in by 1.5 inches. Now this is so that at the back area, at the middle of the back, that this place is going to be tightened up and to not be gaping. So that's to avoid that gaping effect. Just go out by 1.5 inches and then connect it the way you see me connecting all the way to the crouch line. So guys, from the middle of the back, I'll just bend my tape rule this way, like in a slanted manner, to mark my waist measurement. That is to reach exactly where the front measurement is. So after doing that, guys, I also go ahead to add an inch to this. This is for my dart allowance because I want to be adding that to the back of this pants. After taking this measurement, go ahead to slope it to where the front is and cut everything out with half an inch. So guys, I need you to pause because I forgot to add my zipper allowance to the back of the pants. So guys, whilst cutting on the back of the middle of the pants, just go ahead to add 1.5 inches all the way in a curve like manner. Add it all the way to, let's say, 10 inches down, and then you connect it back to the crouch line for the back. Please guys, note we are done cutting out our front and back pieces, and this is what we have. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead to cut out my band. Remember that I gave 2 inches for my band allowance, so I'm just cutting out a 4-inch wide band, and then I'll also go ahead to add 3 inches to my actual waist measurement for allowances. These are all the pieces of fabric that I'll be working with. At this point, I realized that I did not add zipper allowance, so I just went ahead to cut out a piece of fabric that is 2 inches wide and let's say 10 inches long. I attached this to both part of the back pieces. So guys, I've gone ahead to attach my zipper allowance to the back piece, and this is what I have. You do not need to go through this process if you cut out your zipper allowance also. So guys, next thing to do is to go ahead to close up your crouch areas for both the back and the front pieces. I'll also be marking my dart for the back pieces. So guys, I've gone ahead to close up the crouch area, fixing my darts, and use pins to close up the zipper area. Now this is what my front is looking like. I've also gone ahead to close up the crouch area. Now just align them both together as seen. I'm going to shape them all the way to the down. I'm done joining both sides together, and this is what it's looking like. Now the next thing I'll just go ahead to do is to work on my band. After adding interfacing to my band and also folding all the necessary areas, this is what I have. Now the next thing we'll be doing is to attach the pants, the waist of the pants to the band of the trouser. Now the shorter part is for the front while the longer part is for the back, so just open it and you place the pant in between. So guys, I've gone ahead to join my band, and this is what I have. Now the next we'll just go ahead to do is to fix in our zipper. So just go ahead to fix your zipper to the back of this pants. So guys, after fixing the zipper, this is what I have. Can you see this? Our pants is almost ready. Then the next thing I'll just go ahead to do is to flip this over to the wrong side, and I'm going to close up this remaining side that is open, that is that lower V area. So just take your time, align this both together, and then from the down you're going to stitch it all the way here. You stop, you turn it, and then you stitch it to the other side. So guys, I'm done stitching, and this is what I have. I also went ahead to fold the hem of this pants. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.